Be aware of the domino effect. What's the domino effect? Well, it's that simple situation that you and I have probably experienced within the last month. It's that situation where one person on the team didn't do their job completely, and as a result, the rest of us are now scrambling to meet a client commitment because we have to do not only our work, but the work of the team member who dropped the ball. The result? We get it done, and the client's happy, but we start to build resentment towards this team member who dropped the ball. And that team member quite often doesn't understand why the rest of the team gets frustrated. So why am I raising this with you? As a leader, why should you care? Well, just as a team member dropped the ball and didn't do his or her job completely, as a leader, you need to do your job completely and hold every team member accountable to do the jobs they're being paid to do. Why? You reduce the domino effect and everyone having to pick up somebody else's work. You minimize resentment among team members, and you ensure that every employee better understands that doing his or her job completely and on time is part of what is expected and required within your department, within your organization. So avoid the domino effect and do your job and hold everyone accountable.